Now let us consider one more problem which is similar to the earlier problem but totally different from the earlier problem. Here as before we have got infinite bodies, each of mass m, placed along x-axis. As far as that is concerned, it is okay. But you can see that the positions are given as plus or minus d, plus or minus 2d, plus or minus 4d, plus or minus 80 and so on. That means on right hand side as well as on left hand side we have got bodies placed. All the bodies placed along positive x-axis, they will produce gravitational field along positive x-axis, and all the bodies present along negative x-axis, they will produce gravitational field along negative x-axis. These fields are equal and opposite, so they get cancelled. Hence, the resultant field at x is equal to 0 is 0. But potential is not 0 because all the bodies they produce negative potentials, and potential is a scalar quantity. It has got no direction, so no significance of the direction. We know that the potential in general is given by n minus 1 into gm by d. This is for bodies lying on one side. The bodies lying on the other side also produce same potential, so it will get added to it. The potential at x is equal to 0 is 2 into n by n minus 1 into gm by d, that is minus 2. N is how much? 2 here. 2 by 2 minus 1, that is again 2 into gm by d. So we have got minus 4 gm by d. That is the potential at x is equal to 0. Like this, such a big problem we can solve in just 2 steps. Sometimes it may be given like this also. Instead of saying d, it will be said like this: 1 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter and so on. Then d will become 1 meter, so d will disappear. Sometimes it may be given as each of 1 kg mass, so m will also become 1. So the answer will be minus 4g. If you got infinite bodies, each of mass 1 kg, placed along x-axis at plus or minus 1 meter, plus or minus 2 meter, plus or minus 4 meter, plus or minus 8 meter and so on, the electric field at the gravitational field at x is equal to 0 is 0, whereas the gravitational potential at x is equal to 0 is minus 4g. I hope it is clear to you.